Sony is still in the smartphone business. Still in it, Will.
Mm.
And they're going to be announcing a new device apparently on April the 14th. Were you telling me about this, or was this a rumor?
No.
Are you breaking news right now?
Well, April 14th, right? That's the
I don't know.
rumor.
I don't know if it's a rumor. It says Sony will, so they're not calling it a rumor over here.
Oh, okay.
Will it be a new flagship? An iPhone mini competitor? Both? That was the subtext of the headline.
Oh.
Sony has, in a very low-key way, just announced that its upcoming Xperia event will be on April 14th. The news comes from the Xperia YouTube channel's banner. I see. So it is official at this point, where it lays out there will be a new product announcement happening at 4:30 p.m. Japan Standard Time. Not super helpful for us because that's 3:30 a.m. in the Eastern Standard Time. What do you think? Are we going to have to stay up for that? Are we going to do a live stream?
A live stream on
3:30? Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, why not?
Hit us up, Sony. Figure something out. There's no hints on the banner other than the time, but many are expecting an Xperia 1.3, like a flagship device. Mm-hmm. And it does seem to make sense timing-wise. There's a rumor that they're going to have a periscope zoom lens, which I guess would be a first for them. You know, I've been a fan of this stuff. I like what they're doing with the cameras and whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
So I certainly like the variety of applications they put in a phone for the Pro Cinema and the Pro Photo. And really, they pull it from their mirrorless system, the styles on there. And the mirrorless system, oh my God, we're all about the Sony mirrorless system in this studio. I'll tell you a thing or two.
We have a couple of them.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Yeah.
Mo wouldn't even be Mo without these. Look at this. Look at this right here. You understand what this is, Will? You understand what this can do? This little guy right here, talking about 8K right here, doesn't even overheat.
Yeah.
Talking about 8K 30 frames.
Yeah.
This little guy right here, just casually on the desk. It's a Sony A1, and Mo wouldn't be Mo without it.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's the heating too.
At least he's got the hat, though.
Know? Or the cooling there.
The heating or the cooling.
Yeah.
The heating and the
streaming
cooling.
For like 2 hours, you know?
Us?
Yeah.
This show?
In the past, yeah.
This piece of garbage?
Sure.
Yeah, so anyway, Sony's doing things with the cameras,
really
and they might as well do it with the smartphones. I mean, it's kind of along the lines of the first story of the day, how I was saying I like to have options, I like to have players. Another thing they do that's unusual, they do the super high resolution displays on their devices, 4K displays, and they do that uncommon aspect ratio as well, the like super slim thing that's going on.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been a fan of this stuff in the past. I'm excited to see what they're talking about on April 14th. We don't have to wait too long. The other rumor is that they may be looking at a mini model. It might be more than one thing to target the iPhone mini crowd, although the mini iPhone didn't seem to sell all that well, so I don't know. But I guess these things are being planned out so far in advance. It's expected to have a Snapdragon 888, 12 gigs of memory, 5G, and a 4K 120 hertz display. So I don't know about that. I don't know about you, but you could probably get down with those specs.
Yeah, it's exciting. Xperia phones are pretty unique, I guess, because they work with Sony cameras too, right?
Never seen you like this before.
I mean, I'm excited. I'll check it out.
Keep it together over there.
All right.